Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you a very simple variation on the card spread which I call the one-handed card spread. So let's get into the tutorial. So for this move you're going to need to know how to do the standard card spread. Now if you don't know how to do that, there are many tutorials on the internet, so you can go check those out. Now if you already know how to do a normal card spread, you're going to have to learn a variation on the normal card spread. Now normally when you do a card spread, you're going to contact this edge of the deck right there with this part of your hand. Right? So it's like this, you contact it and then you push the cards off with this thumb right here. But for this, you're going to need to know how to do the card spread by contacting this part of your hand with the bottom edge of the deck. So like this. Right? So what this does is when you normally spread cards like this, you're able to hold maybe these many cards with one hand. But when you hold it from the bottom, you're able to hold pretty much the whole deck with just one hand. Right? So basically I'm going to explain how to do this card spread. So you're going to do it the same way as a normal card spread, meaning the mechanics of your mechanics grip hand are going to be the same, but this hand is going to change a bit. So instead of coming around and holding the cards like this, you're going to come from below, push some cards off with this hand, contact this part like this, and push cards off. Now it's hard to do slow, but when you do it in one fluid motion, it looks better. Right? So once you can do that, you're basically going to try to hold as many cards as you can in this hand. Right? So you're going to do the spread and try to hold as many cards as you can. Right? Maybe this many. Right? And you're just going to try to improve that and try to get more cards. Now one tip I can give you is that normally when you spread cards, you have two hands, so you don't need to curve it as much. But when you're doing the one-handed spread, you're going to need to know how to curve the deck. Right? What this helps you is it makes it a smaller gap between the starting point and the ending point. Just like that. Because if you spread straight, you're not going to be able to contact all the cards. Right? So now you're going to curve it more at first, and slowly you're going to try to curve it less and less and less till you can get a nice one-handed card spread. So this card spread can be used normally to ask somebody to pick a card, right? Or you can just show off your skill, right, by doing the one-handed card spread. So that was my tutorial on the one-handed card spread. I hope you liked this move. If you did, please like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on my channel.